Okay, this is a video showing something happening when I point my iPhone at our high pressure sodium lamps. Don't know what exactly this phenomenon is, of banding, but it makes it impossible for me to take pictures of my iPhone in this light, I guess. So there it is. And we have a couple different sources of that light. So those are the high pressure sodium lamps again. This is just reflected light. Then when I look elsewhere, okay, so it's gone now. Pointing them at the fluorescent lights, I don't see that banding. Then go over here. And, okay, well, it's not looking at the light source right now. Hold on a second. Okay. So here we go. There's the webcam looking at high pressure sodium lamps. It's not seeing it. It's not just the iPhone. It's my handheld camera too. Or is it? No, I don't see it on here. Okay, so it's not showing up on this camera, but it does show up on another camera, which I don't have right now. Thanks.